Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rehan Wazir and I am a student of Rehan AI School Islamabad. FED Foundation level student. So today third TEDx talk. My topic is my topic is living in Daniel climate changes by Iqra Khilji. So, sir, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to review the TEDx talk Living in Daniel Climate Change by Iqra Khilji. This talk explains how people know climate change in real, but many still ignore it in their daily lives. The speaker shares powerful ideas about how Daniel is becoming one of the biggest danger of for all plants. In the beginning of the talk, Iqra Khaliji explained that climate change is not only a future problem, it is already happening around us. We can see rising temperatures, floods, heat waves, melting glaciers, and polluted air in many countries. She says that people often avoid talking about climate change because they think one person cannot make a difference. One thing I really liked about this talk is the simple and emotional way the speaker explained the topic. Instead of using difficult scientific words, she talks about real life problems that everyone can understand. Her message makes the evidence think deeply about their responsibility toward nature and future generations. Another important point in the talk is that Daniel does not always mean refusing facts completely. Sometimes people accept climate change but still continue harmful habits like wasting water, using too much plastic, and polluting the environment. The speaker encourages everyone to take small steps because small action together can create big changes. These TEDx talk teach us that awareness is very important. School, families, and social media can help spread positive message about protecting the environment, planting trees, saving electricity, recycling, and reducing waste are simple action that can help our plants. In my opinion, this talk is very inspiring and informative. It reminds us that climate change is shared problem and everyone has a role in solving it. I learned that ignoring environmental issues will only make the future more difficult for the next generation. In conclusion, living in Daniel climate change by Iqra Khaliji is a meaningful TEDx talk that encourages people to stop ignoring climate changes and start taking action today. Thank you so much. So today my TEDx talk for watching. Thank you so much, Pakistan Zindabad.